Today, we're going to practice dividing longer words into syllables. You will take your cards and select 10 of the word cards of your choice. I selected thankful, forgotten, and stove. Let's practice. Thankful. I know that it has 2 syllables. For my first syllable, it is thank. For my second syllable, it is full. And then in the last column, I'm going to write the word again, thankful. Let's look at our next word. Forgotten. It has 3 syllables. For is the first syllable. Got is the second syllable. And 10 is the third syllable. Notice that there's no fourth syllable, so I'm just going to leave it blank, just like I did with thankful. Remember to write forgotten in the last column. Let's try one more time. Stove. Stove only has 1 syllable, so I'm going to write it in the first syllable. I'm going to leave the rest of them blank, and in my last box, I'm going to write the whole word stove. Remember, you will have 7 more cards to make up a total of 10 on your list.